Bitcoin and other cryptos continue to plunge as anxiety spreads across the entire cryptocurrency market, following a recent ban by China on cryptocurrencies right after Elon Musk decided Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin as payment. Prices are looking insane. We've got XRP at 74 cents, which is not surprising at all, considering the overall market capitalization of the entire crypto industry has moved from its 2.4 trillion margins to a 1.3 trillion market cap, losing about $1 trillion over the past week. At the moment, the world's largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization have plunged to a weekly low, about a 30% decline, as Bitcoin hits price margins as low as $30,000 per coin, right after starting the day at $40,000, according to data from CoinDesk. That said, if you're interested and curious to know where the cryptocurrency market will be tending towards within the next couple of days, we might have some answers. Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. For those of you who are new to this channel and are curious to learn about XRP, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up for the free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Also, there's the option to join the channel and get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the pinned comments. As you guys already know, we've seen a significant price correction. Most people probably weren't expecting it. We've got Bitcoin dipping to about $30,000 before hitting $40,000 and currently finding support at $35,000. Ethereum recording one of the most significant dips this season after hitting its all-time high of about $4,400. And according to the charts, Binance and XRP have the highest weekly low that ranges within the tune of about 50% each. Most XRP proponents, who had already started to see the value of this digital asset hit new all-time gains even amidst the recent bearish market, obviously didn't expect the volume that would push us down to bottom support. In my opinion, though, you don't need to worry too much about this dump. It did happen much more aggressively than anyone in this market could have ever anticipated. There were supports that didn't hold. Usually when we break through those supports, it reverses our prices back down to the downside. But we saw substantial bearish diversions emanating from Bitcoin, hinting that the market was exhausted and we needed a pullback downwards. Bitcoin's current price action is no stranger to a bull market cycle in prices. These digital assets, including XRP, are sure to resume the recent upward trend before entering a long-term upsurge and hitting new all-time highs once again. In the short term, however, some downward risks still pop up as we do not expect the market to rebound in one fell swoop, which is why the current market trend represents a great buy opportunity for investors to stack up more XRP and increase their portfolio, rather than waiting to invest when the markets start to skyrocket. When we look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies, we can still see some sideways movements. We're yet to see that rebound effect when prices hit the ground and then shoot back up. But there are still some exciting things we could talk about right now, as the markets are pretty much trying to find their way back to consolidation right as we speak. Taking in-depth insights into XRP price action into consideration, this was a significant whale movement. We have a lot of people getting scared and leaving, shorting the market, especially the newcomers, investors in Robinhood, for example. Essentially, this move just got many people who really shouldn't be in the market out of the market. Right now, we're left with people like us here, who are probably waiting for the opportunity for more dips so that they could buy in more, before the market kind of reverses back up. And we aren't looking too bad currently. To be honest, if we're to look at the way XRP is trading, and if you understand the markets, you'll see that it's not that bad. Of course, we did break below the uptrend line in red marker. We've been using the stop resistance labeled A as a potential buy opportunity. As we've seen previously, if we could break at $1.60, it represents a prominent resistance level. We would buy in long and then swing that to the upside. However, if we were to reverse downwards, we would use this position at $1.27 marked as B as a bottom support. However, we never anticipated it to go immediately from $1.60 to a bottom support trend line of fewer than 70 cents, marked C, which was a little faster than expected. Nonetheless, what I would like for you guys to take note of with a lot of these cryptocurrencies, including XRP, over the last 4 years, is when we come back down to retest bottom support levels on the moving average, it usually doesn't last that long. In simple terms, if we have multiple retests on the moving average and come back down, and have just been playing around with this ripple effect labeled as D, we can tend to break through it and correct lower. On the other hand, we typically expect a reversal right back up on a first retest, and this uses a pretty good support level. As you guys can see, the first time we broke through from point F, we went back down, and we exploded back upwards to point E. For the most part, it's usually how it tends to form. So essentially, we're using that as a means of support right now. Prices are holding up above the 72 cents support level. Not only that, we have our bottom support at less than $1 support levels. Now, we did see a lot of the cryptocurrencies dip to similar price margins, but it's nothing to worry about, as this is just extreme volume moving us in, after which the market tends to balance itself out as time goes by. And for the most part, it looks like a healthy correction. It was a lot of volumes all at once, but it does have the makings of a healthy price correction. Pertinent to note is that there is still this downtrend, which is represented by the green line on the chart, that's probably looming over crypto right now, over XRP. Typically, we use the 71 cents moving averages as support, as the prices are looking to regain their strength in no time. It didn't shoot us into oversold or anything of that sort. We did see the price margins get overextended on the moving average convergence-divergence, as the slope of the MACD indicates a trend to the upside in the mid to long term. Prices look like they are going to recover much sooner rather than later. In the short term, it looks like we might soon see a breakout from the $1.28 resistance level, hopefully breaking through here and coming back to retest the $1.61. But as we know, there are some powerful resistances that we would have to break through before we even attempt to do so. Even so, we had to change our position, seeing this would be a good point to buy into, with the support being right here. And we're then setting our stop loss right below our moving averages right here. But for the most part, I think that things are going to start to reverse upward. XRP is going to start to look good, even though it is a little difficult to read compared to most other altcoins right now. Albeit it still does hold the opportunity to reverse upwards. There are still some prominent resistances that we have to worry about, but for the most part, I do believe the markets are going to reverse back up much sooner than we would think. I think this was an extreme outlier, and the markets are soon to move back to where they were. We should be seeing some gains in no time. We should be able to climb back up at least inside the $1.30 moving average. Personally, what I would like to see is a price breakthrough here, then we close support, and then we trend on the sideways channel, enough for us to get outside of this downtrend. And from there onwards, we transition into more significant highs. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on this video, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can also join our channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button. And you can also join our free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. See you next time.
Hollywood Carson.